Have you ever gone to bed on time, slept for 7 or even 8 hours, but still woke up feeling tired and heavy? You are not alone. Millions of people struggle with the mystery of poor quality sleep, even when they think they are getting enough rest. The surprising truth is that the real problem is not the hours you sleep, but the depth of your sleep. Today, we are going to reveal the hidden reason you are not sleeping deeply and the simple way to begin solving it. Deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep, is the most restorative stage of the night. It is the time when your body repairs itself, balances hormones, and stores memories. Without enough of it, you might feel groggy, forgetful, and even more stressed throughout the day. So why are so many of us missing out on this essential stage? One hidden reason is that our body temperature and light exposure are out of sync with our natural rhythm. Your brain is designed to respond to signals from the environment, particularly those related to light and darkness. When you use bright screens at night or sleep in a room that is too warm, your body struggles to enter that deeper stage of rest. Science shows that melatonin, the sleep hormone, works best when your environment is dark and your body temperature is slightly cooler. Another factor is stress. When your mind is racing or your body is holding on to tension, your nervous system remains in a state of high alert. Even if you do fall asleep, you are more likely to stay in the lighter stages. Studies have found that individuals with higher levels of evening stress produce more cortisol, a hormone that can disrupt deep sleep. There is also the hidden influence of irregular sleep schedules. Going to bed at very different times each night can confuse your internal clock. Your brain craves rhythm. When you go to sleep and wake up at around the same time each day, your body becomes more efficient at entering deep sleep. So what can you do to solve it? The first step is to create an environment that supports deep rest. Try dimming the lights 1 hour before bed and putting your phone or computer away. Use blackout curtains if possible and keep your room cool, ideally at a temperature between 18 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. Second, practice a simple wind-down routine. Gentle breathing, meditation, or light stretching can help your nervous system transition from a state of high alertness into a relaxed state. Even 5 minutes of focused, calm breathing can lower cortisol levels and prepare your body for deeper sleep. Finally, aim for consistency. Choose a bedtime you can stick to most nights. Over time, your brain will recognize the pattern and guide you naturally into the deeper stages of sleep. Remember, it is not about sleeping more hours, but about sleeping better. When you give your body the right signals, it knows exactly how to heal and recharge itself. Now that you know the hidden reasons you are not sleeping deeply, it is time to make small but powerful changes. Tonight, try just one of these steps. Consider dimming the lights in your room a bit more, or set aside 5 minutes to relax before bed. You may be surprised how quickly your body responds. If you found this video helpful, support our channel HealthAlchemy by liking this video and subscribing to more simple science-backed wellness tips. Please let us know in the comments which sleep habit you plan to try first.